Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how to repost Instagram story on your Instagram account. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application, and here is the logo whenever you open it. And after that, you just need to check either you got a text from your friends on their story or not by go into this right upper corner over here. There will be two options, either you want to access this notifications part or in the DM part. You can go into the notification part here because sometimes the text you will be appear on this notification. But then if you cannot find those tags on the notification button, you can also jump into the inboxes part. And this inboxes part, there will be like appear also someone who texts you on their story, so you just need to like check it. And here you go, we already have someone who texts me. And now to repost this story, just need to go click this part to add into your story. You can also resizing the size by click the picture to make it like full or fit into your phone screen. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click add to your story. And now let's check either the story is already uploaded into our account or not. So it's almost done. Okay, so that's the way how to repost someone else's story on our Instagram. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.